Hello, you want to learn how to strengthen your magnetic knife rack? In this video I'll show you how. If you have a magnetic knife rack in your kitchen, you're probably using it to hang scissors, different sets of knives and other utensils, but sometimes you would like to hang something heavier. For example, this is a knife sharpener, and a knife sharpener tends to fall off. You put it on there and whoop, falls down. It doesn't hang on well, unless of course you put it on the rough side. It has a smooth part and a rough part. You put it on the rough part and then it holds on better. But still it can fall down because either it turns around or someone puts it not very well and it falls down. Or you might want to hang something even heavier than a knife sharpener. For those situations, to solve this problem of the object slipping down because the magnets aren't strong enough, we have this, a neodymium magnet. These magnets, we can recover them from old hard drives and DVD, some of the smaller ones that come from in DVD drives, or we can buy them on the internet, online. Putting a magnet, one of these magnets here, it will strengthen completely your existing magnets. And you can put anything there and it will hold it very strongly there. So, I hope you like this solution and try it in your home. This magnet here will strengthen your magnet rack very much. And don't forget, this is a neodymium magnet. You can find it in an old hard drive. On a DVD drive. Old ones, of course, you take them apart, you'll find these magnets inside there. Now, you can also buy them online. I won't mention the places, but I'm sure if you put neodymium magnet in Google, you'll find where you can buy one. They must be quite cheap. Cheaper if you take apart your old hard drive. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell if you want to receive notifications for new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.